I bet you didn't know the Amazon jungle hides some incredible mysteries. Let's dive in. First up, did you know the Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen? That's why it's often called the lungs of the earth. Next, there are over 400 billion trees in the Amazon, and some of them can live for over 1,000 years. Fact number 3, the Amazon is home to a river that boils. Yes, you heard that right. The Shanay Timpishka can reach temperatures hot enough to cook an egg. Finally, scientists believe there are still hundreds of undiscovered species living in the depths of this vast jungle. Imagine what could be out there. So the next time you think about the Amazon, remember these secrets. Nature is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing nature facts.